Model, 2019 Citroen Relay 35 L3H2 BlueHDi 130 6-speed Enterprise Long Mot Euro 6 ULEZ. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 207,305. MOT, the 30th of July 2025. Engine, 1997 ccDW10 FUDA. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Third and fourth gear are crunching when selecting, all of the other gears are fine. Still starts and drives fantastically long MOT drive away. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is indecent, average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is indecent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, aircon, electric windows, parking sensors, cruise control. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07